mini Nilla wafers, my 13 by 9 pan. I like to use the minis. Now I have here 3 bananas that I sliced up, and I'm just gonna put them sporadically on top of the Nilla wafers. I don't know about you guys, but Nilla wafers and bananas are my favorite combination. You cannot find a Nilla wafer without a banana in my house. And I love these little mini ones. They're just so adorable. You don't have to crush up your big cookies. Okay, let's just get these bananas on here. Look how delicious this is already looking. I could honestly eat it just like this, but we're obviously gonna make this a full rounded dessert. All right, now I'm gonna put this to the side, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab a bowl and a whisk. I have here my big box of banana cream instant pudding, and we're gonna use that whole box. Ooh, I love this stuff. Get every last bit out. Perfect. Now I'm gonna come in with my 2% milk, and I am gonna measure out 3 cups of milk. This is a 2-cup measuring glass. So we'll do the 2 cups first, right in there with our pudding. And this is just the box instructions that I'm following. Beautiful. 3 cups, right in there with our big box of banana cream pudding. And we are gonna go ahead and whisk this up until all of that powder is disintegrated and we get a nice pudding ready for our banana pudding pie. Oh yeah, the best dessert year round. I love bananas. My husband is unfortunately allergic to bananas, so this is just for me and my girls. I have Elaine here. She might take a little nibble at it. All right, so once we see that the powder is completely gone, we're gonna go ahead, even before it thickens up, and we're gonna bring back our dish, and we're gonna pour this right on top of those bananas and Nilla wafers. And it's just gonna get nice and thick right on top of those, and that's the secret. Oh yeah, look at that. It's just gonna be swimming in that pudding. Now, before we top this off, we are gonna pop this in the fridge for just a few hours to let it get nice and good. All right, so our banana dessert is almost ready. I'm gonna grab a bowl and some heavy whipping cream. We're gonna whip up a quick whipped cream. Go ahead and be generous. We're gonna do about half a quart of heavy whipping cream. Now I'm gonna add a splash of vanilla. I didn't have any real vanilla, so I'm using the imitation, which is fine by me. And then of course, all good whipped creams have some powdered sugar. And we're gonna add about a cup because I want this to be nice and sweet. Perfect. Now you're gonna wanna grab your hand mixer and we are gonna whip this whipped cream up super fast. Oh yeah, it's gonna be so easy, so delicious. Obviously, if you don't wanna make your homemade whipped cream, you could just get some Cool Whip. That would work just as well. But, you know, everyone loves a good homemade whipped cream, so let's turn the speed up. All right, nice and thick. Let's get all of that excess off. We have our beautiful whipped cream ready. Ooh, this looks so good. Those Nilla wafers are nice and soft, which is exactly what we want for banana cream pie pudding. Now I'm gonna grab that homemade whipped cream and we are gonna pile it on. Oh my gosh, look at that texture. That is gonna be so good. Okay, let's go ahead and flatten it on there, make it nice and pretty. Ooh yeah. Woo. I am way too excited to eat this. And look how easy that was. We didn't have to turn on our oven. We're not wasting any energy or gas. We are just making a simple and delicious dessert with no, stress needed. You can't mess this up. It's that easy. Look, and we're gonna have some extra whipped cream.
Yum.
I'm excited about that. And just get this nice and pretty. But don't worry, we're of course gonna add something on top because we're not animals. We need presentation. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, the homemade whipped cream really made that dessert. Now I like a little bit of crunch. Remember those vanilla wafers in there softened? So I'm gonna go ahead and just grab a handful of these and we're gonna crush them right on top just to get a nice little crunch. And also it makes it a little bit prettier. Oh my, look how yummy that is. Ooh, oh, they're flying. Don't worry, I'll clean up. Let's go ahead and dig in. Oh, this is gonna be so decadent and beautiful. Okay. Oh yeah, look at that. She is gorgeous, beauty, like, come on, you guys. All right. And of course, to make this presentation even prettier, I have some Ready Whip. This is optional. And a little banana slice because presentation matters in this house. Okay. Usually I would serve guests first, but I think Elaine can understand. I can't wait.
Bon appetit.
You guys gotta try this. It's a must try. You gotta do it.